Want to set up Google Family Link on your PC? Here's how you can do it. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to families.google.com. Now sign in with your Google account you want to use as the parent account. Once you're signed in, click on Create a Family Group. Follow the prompts to add family members. You can invite your child's Gmail account here. If your child doesn't have a Google account, select the option to create an account for your child. Fill in their details, set a password, and complete the verification steps. Once your child's account is linked, you'll see the Family Link dashboard. From here, you can manage app approvals, set screen time limits, check activity, and even lock their device remotely. To make the most of Family Link, install the Family Link app on your child's Android device and your own phone, then sign in with the same accounts. This ensures that the parent controls you set up on your PC sync across devices. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.